बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. This is class 3 and the period is mathematics and the video number is 2, week number is 3. In the last video we have completed our lesson number 2 and 3 of unit number 3. Today we are going to start lesson number 4, which is highest common factor. So first you make the title page of unit number 3 and lesson number 4. Okay. So friends, I hope you remember that what are factors. Factors are the number that divide another number exactly. Okay. Now what is highest common factor? Highest means greatest. Highest common factor, the greatest common divisor of 2 and more than 2 number is called the highest common factor. Okay. Look at the board. Highest common factor. In short, we say HCF. Okay, HCF stand for highest common factor. HCF से हम highest common factor को denote करते हैं. What is the highest common factor? The greatest common divisor of 2 and more than 2 number is called the highest common factor. Okay, the greatest common divisor of 2 and more than 2 number is called the highest common factor. Suppose if we find out the highest common factor of 6 and 12, अगर आप 6 और 12 का highest common factor find out करना चाहते हैं तो सबसे पहले आप individually factors find out करोगे 6 के and then 12 के. Look at the board. For example, factor of 6. ठीक है, हम HCF फाइंड आउट करने या हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं 6 और 12 का कि व्हाट आर द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 6 एंड 12. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ नंबर 6. ठीक है, फर्स्ट फैक्टर इज 1. 1 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ ऑल एंड एवरी नंबर. ओके, सबसे पहला जो फैक्टर होता है वो 1 होता है हर नंबर का. देन द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 2. 2 इज ऑल्सो द फैक्टर ऑफ नंबर 6 बिकॉज 2 इज एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड द नंबर 6. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज 3. 3 is also the factor of number 6 because it divide completely the number 6 and last one is 6. ठीक है, लास्ट वन वही नंबर होता है जिसका आप फैक्टर फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो तो 6. नाउ फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर ऑफ नंबर 12. ओके, फर्स्ट फैक्टर 1 ही. 1 is the factor of number 12. Then next number is 12. 2 is the factor of number 12. Next is 3. Then 4. 5 और 6. 5 में 12 आता नहीं है. ठीक है, 12 इज नॉट द मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 तो 5 इसका फैक्टर नहीं होगा. देन नेक्स्ट इज 6 क्योंकि 6 के टेबल में 12 आता है. 12 इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 तो 6 क्या है 12 का फैक्टर है. एंड नेक्स्ट 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 इन नंबर्स में 12 नहीं आता. एंड लास्ट वन इज लास्ट का फैक्टर होगा 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 एंड 12 दीज आर द फैक्टर ऑफ नंबर 12. ओके, ये फैक्टर हो गए 6 के और ये फैक्टर आपके पास किसके हैं 12 के. नाउ लेट्स सी which factors are common. 1 is the common factor. Next one is 2. 2 is also common. 3 is also common. And the last one is 6. These are the common factor of 6 and 12. Common factors of 6 and 12 is 1, 2, 3 and last one is 6. Okay students, these are the common factor of 6 and 12. Now look at C, which is the highest common factor, highest common divisor. कौन सा नंबर जो है वो सबसे बड़ा कॉमन डिविजर है इन दोनों का? That is 6. Okay, so 6 is the highest common factor of 6 and 12. We write here HCF is equal to 6. Okay student, so this is the method to find out the highest common factor. Now let's see your exercise on page number 30. ठीक है, there are some question. In question number 1, write the factors for each number and circle the common factor. आपको जो है factors find out करने हैं numbers के और फिर common factors पर circle भी करने हैं. Find the HCF and complete the sentences. और इसके बाद आप HCF find out करिए और sentence को complete करिए. Now look at your exercise, look at the board. You have to complete this work in your copy. Okay, so look at question number 1. Part B. We have solved part B. Okay. The highest common factor of 60 and 12. 60 and 12 is dash. You have to find out the highest common factor and write here. Okay. Solve. हम highest common factor by the help of LCM भी निकाल सकते हैं. So we take the LCM in rough column. You make the rough work in the left side of your copy. First we take the LCM of number 60. Okay students, 60 is an even number. ठीक है, वो नंबर जिनके लास्ट में 2, 4, 6, 8 और 0 आता है, that is even numbers. ठीक है, वो सारे ही even numbers आपके पास होते हैं. Even numbers are the number that are completely divided by 2. So we take the LCM by number 2. ठीक है, 2 के टेबल में 60 आता है. 2 3 is 6 and we write 0 as it is. Okay, means 2 30 is 60. Next one is 30. 30 is also the even number, so we take the LCM by number 2. 2 के टेबल में 3 नहीं आता, so we divide by 2 1s are 2 और 1 जो है वो 0 के पास चला जाएगा and it become 10 and 2 5s are 10. Okay. Next one is 15. 15 is not the even number, it is the odd number, so we take the LCM by number 3. 3 के टेबल में 15 आता है, 15 is the multiple, so 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. 1 पर आपका LCM कंप्लीट होता है. ओके, सम फैक्टर, आपको कुछ फैक्टर जो है इस पर नजर आ रहे हैं, लेकिन कुछ फैक्टर इसमें हिडन भी हैं, जैसे 1 2 यहाँ पर डबल हो रहा है, हम नहीं लेंगे. 3 5 15 30 60, these all are the factors of number 60. लेकिन इसमें के अंदर भी कुछ फैक्टर्स क्या हैं आपके हिडन है, यानी छुपे हुए हैं. आप उनको भी फाइंड आउट करिए. अगर हम 2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, 2 2s are 4. 4 is also the factor of number 6. Okay, if we multiply 2 by 3, 2 multiply by 3, we get the number 6. 6 यहाँ पर कहीं नहीं है, so 6 also the factor of number 60. If we multiply 2 by 5, 2 multiply by 5, 2 5s are 10. So 10 is also the factor of number 60. Okay, ये तो हुए 2 2 के मल्टीपल्स, जहां हमने 2 2 नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करा. अब आप 3 3 नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करिए. ओके, 2 2 एंड देन 3. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. आप देख सकते हैं 12 यहाँ पर कहीं नहीं है, so 12 is also the factor of number 6, number 60. Now multiply 2 by 2 and 5. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. 20 is also the factor of number 60. Next one is 2 3 and 5. 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. 30 is also the factor, but 30 आपको यहाँ भी दिखाई दे रहा है. ठीक है, आप इनमें से कोई भी एक लिख सकते हैं. Now write the factors of number 60 here. सबसे पहला फैक्टर 1, then 2 3 4 5. ऑर्डर में लिखने हैं आपने सारे फैक्टर. 1 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8 नहीं है, then 10 12 15, 20, 30, and the last one is 60. These all are the factor of number 60. Now we take the LCM of number 12. Okay, student, 12 is also the even number, so we take the LCM by number 2. ठीक है, 2 के टेबल में 12 आता है. 12 is the multiple of number 2. 2 6 are 12. Next number is 6. 6 is also the even number, so we take the LCM by number 2. 2 3 are 6. And the last one is 3. We take the LCM by number 3. 3 1s are 3. These are the factor of number 12. 1, 2, 3, 3. यहाँ पर भी आपकी मर्जी, आप यहाँ सर्किल करना चाहें या यहाँ, as your wish. 6 and 12. ठीक है, अब हम यहाँ भी देख लेते हैं, क्या पता यहाँ भी हिडन फैक्टर्स कुछ मौजूद हो. If we multiply 2 by 2, 2 2s are 4. So 4 आपका LCM में नहीं है. Now we put the circle on the number 4. 4 is also the factor of number 12. If we multiply 2 by 3, 2 3s are 6. 6 आपका मौजूद है. ठीक है, आपकी मर्जी, एक ही जगह से आपने लिखना है. So the factor of number 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, and the last one is itself, yani 12. Okay, now we look at which factors are common. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, okay, and then 12. These are the common factor of number 60 and 12. We write here. Common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are the common factor. Now let's see which factors is the greatest factor. That is 12. So we write here HCF is equal to 12. Highest common factor क्या है आपका 60 और 12 का? It is 12. This is your answer. And we write the number 12 in this sentence. Okay students, I hope you have got it. And I hope you have got it. You have to solve part A and C in your content solution. ठीक है, सॉल्यूशन में आपका कंटेंट सॉल्यूशन जो है आपका सॉल्यूशन इसमें प्रोवाइड किया गया है आपको. आप इससे कंप्लीट करेंगे लाइक दिस. यू हैव टू डू रफ वर्क ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ योर कॉपी एंड कंप्लीट पार्ट A, B एंड C. यू हैव टू डू ओनली वन क्वेश्चन इन योर कॉपी, वन पेज. ठीक है, एक पेज पर सिर्फ आप एक ही सवाल करेंगे. नाउ लुक एट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 व्हिच इज फाइंड द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ दिस सेट ऑफ नंबर्स. सेम वर्क है इसमें भी. नाउ लुक एट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 which is on page number 31. We have to find out the factors of number 52 and 36. Okay, you have to find out the highest common factor of number 52 and 36. Same ही method है दोनों का. We take the LCM of number 52 for finding factors. Okay, 52 is an even number, so we take the LCM by number 2. चूंकि टेबल में 5 नहीं आता, लेकिन 5 से छोटा 4, so we divide 2 2 4 and 1 आपके पास लेफ्ट नंबर पे चले जाएगी कैरी. It become 12. 2 6 12. 2 2 4, 2 6 12. Now 26 is also the even number. We take the LCM by number 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 13. 13 इज अ प्राइम नंबर. ओके, 13 क्या है? प्राइम नंबर है जो सिर्फ अपने ही टेबल में आता है. प्राइम नंबर्स आर द नंबर्स दैट आर डिवाइड इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, जो अपने आप को ही डिवाइड करते हैं खुद. नंबर 13 को 13 से ही करेंगे, यानी 13 1s are 13. सो द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 52 इज 1, 2, 13, 26 and 52. Now we multiply 2 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 is also the factor of number 52. If we multiply 2 by 13, 2 13s are 26 और 26 यहाँ पर मौजूद है तो हम नहीं करेंगे. Now write the factors of 52. First one is 1, then 2, then 4, 13 and then 26. These are the factors of number 52. Now we take the LCM of number 36. 36. Now we take the LCM of number 36. 36 is also the even number. So we take the LCM by number 2. 2 ones are 2. It becomes 16. Now 2 8s are 16. Next number is 18. 18 is also the even number. 2 9s are 18. Okay. 9 is the odd number. We take the LCM by number 3. 3 3s are 9. And the last one is 3 1s are 3. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 9, 18, 36. ठीक है, अब इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लीजिए आप. 2 by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4. 4 is also the factor of number 36. Now we multiply 2 by 3. 2 multiplied by 3, 2 3s are 6. 6 is also the factor of number 36. Now we multiply 2 by 2 and by 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. 12 is also the factor. Now multiply 2, multiply 3 and then 3. 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. Okay, these all are the factor of number 36 right here. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12, 18 and then 36. These all are the factor of number 36. You have to write the factors in order. Okay. Now look at the common factor. 1, 2 and the last one is 4. These are the common factor. Common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Now look at which common factor is the highest common factor. It is 4. So the HCF is equal to 4. This is your answer. Okay students, you have to solve part B from your given content solution. Okay, and part CD yourself as your home task. Now look at try this. This is your try this. Okay, write these numbers in the correct place part of the Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a diagram that show all the possible relation between the numbers. Okay, look at here. This is your Venn diagram. आपके पास ये numbers जो दिए हैं, आपको देखना है कि which number is the factor of number 48 and which number is the factor of 45 and which number is factor of 60. Okay. First you take the LCM of number 48, then you take the LCM of number 45 and then take the LCM of number 60 like that. ठीक है, जिस तरह से अभी हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 में LCM लिया है, बिल्कुल सेम उसी तरीके से आप 48, 60, 45 और 60 का LCM लेंगे और इन नंबर्स में से देखेंगे कि which numbers are the factor of 48, 60 and 45. Okay students, the solution has been given to you in your content solution. You have to solve by this. Okay students, now look at your diary. Question number 1 part B from page number 30 and do question number 2 part D from page number 31 in your copy. Okay sir, this is the diary of this lesson. Now come to the next lesson, which is multiples and factors. Lesson number 5. Lesson number 5 is multiples and factors. Which is also the name of your unit. ठीक है, multiples and factor. This is the combination. This lesson is the combination of multiples and factor. Look at question number 1. Find the LCM of these pairs of number. What is the stands of LCM? LCM stands for lowest common multiple. You have to find out the lowest common multiple of these numbers. Okay, students. Question number 1 on page number 32. Part A, that is 10 and 8. ठीक है, you have to find out the multiples of 10, then you find out the multiples of 8. We have also done this work in lesson number 2, multiples of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, and then 10 tens are 100. Okay, these are the multiple of number 10. Now we write the multiples of number 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, and then 8 tens are 80. Now let's see which multiples are common. Look at the number 40. 40 is the common multiple of 10 and 8, and the number 80. Okay, students, these are the common multiples. (40) and 80. Now let's see which is the lowest common multiple. That is 40. LCM is equal to 40. 40 is the lowest common multiple. This is your answer. You have to solve part B by the help of given content solution and part CD yourself. Now look at, try this on page number 33. Write the numbers 1 to 12 in the correct place on this diagram. You have a diagram, ठीक है, आपके पास एक diagram दी हुई है. You have to write all the number 1 to 12 in the correct place. Now look at, try this on page number 33. You have a box like this, which is divided into 4 parts. Okay, factor of 12, not a factor of 12. Multiple of 4, and here note a multiple of 4. Okay, so you have to write here the factor of 12 and the multiple of 4. Both the numbers, ठीक है, वो numbers आपने इस section में लिखने हैं जो 12 के factor भी हो और जो 4 के multiple भी हो. In this section you have to write the factor of number 12, not the factor of number 12 but the multiple of number 4. ठीक है, वो नंबर आप इस सेक्शन में लिखेंगे जो 4 के मल्टीपल तो होंगे लेकिन वो 12 के क्या नहीं होने चाहिए, फैक्टर नहीं हो. यू हैव टू राइट हियर नॉट अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 बट द फैक्टर ऑफ नंबर 12. वो नंबर जो 12 के फैक्टर हो लेकिन 4 के मल्टीपल नहीं हो. एंड यू हैव टू राइट हियर नॉट अ फैक्टर ऑफ 12 एंड नॉट अ मल्टीपल ऑफ नंबर 4. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लुक एट योर रफ वर्क. वी हैव टू यूज 1 to 12 काउंटिंग. ठीक है, 1 से लेकर 12 तक की काउंटिंग आपने यूज करनी है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and then 12. These are the number you have to use to complete this box. Okay, student. Now we write the factor of number 12. First we write the multiple of number 12. 12 के आप 4 के मल्टीपल्स लिख लीजिए, मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4. ठीक है, 4 के मल्टीपल आपको चाहिए. We write first multiples of 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8 and 4 3 is 12. 12 तक ही काउंटिंग है तो हम आगे मल्टीपल्स नहीं लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट में हम फैक्टर्स लिख लेते हैं 12 के. फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. फैक्टर ऑफ 12 आर, फर्स्ट वन इज 1 2 3 4 then 6 and the last one is 12. These are the factor of number 12. Now look at number 4 and the number 12. These are the common numbers which is multiple of 4. ठीक है, 4 और 12 जो है 4 के मल्टीपल भी है और 12 के फैक्टर भी. So we write these number in this column because 4 and 12, 4 and 12, 4 is the multiple of number 4 and also the factor of number 12, and 12 is also the multiple of number 4 and factor of 12. ओके, आपको इस सेक्शन में वो नंबर लिखने हैं जो फैक्टर तो नहीं है 12 का बट द मल्टीपल ऑफ नंबर 4, दैट इज नंबर 8. 8 क्या है? 4 का मल्टीपल तो है लेकिन फैक्टर नहीं है. सो वी राइट द नंबर 8 हेयर. यू हैव टू राइट हेयर द फैक्टर ऑफ नंबर 12 बट नॉट द मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. वो नंबर आप इस सेक्शन में लिखिए जो 4 के मल्टीपल तो नहीं होंगे लेकिन 12 के फैक्टर है. दैट इज 1. जो रिमेनिंग फैक्टर्स आपके बचे हैं 12 के वो आप इस सेक्शन में लिख दीजिए 1 2 3 एंड 6. 1 2 3 एंड 6. दीज आर द फैक्टर ऑफ नंबर 12. ओके, अब इस सेक्शन में आप वो नंबर लिखेंगे जो ना ही 4 के मल्टीपल्स है और ना ही फैक्टर है किसके 12 के. विथ चेक दिस नंबर. 1 आपका कंप्लीट हो चुका है, 2 इज ऑल्सो डन, 3 4 5. 5 ना ही 4 का मल्टीपल था ना ही फैक्टर. सो वी राइट इन दिस सेक्शन. Okay students, now get this number. Next one is 6. 6 is the factor of number 12. It is done. 7. 7 is not the multiple of 4 and not the factor of 12. So we write in this section. Now cut. Look at the number 8. 8 is the multiple of 4. It is also done. Here 9. 9 is not the multiple and not the factor. ठीक है? So we write in this section. Next one is 10. 10 is also not the multiple, not the factor. We write here. 11. 11 is also not the multiple, not the factor. We write here. Now cut. And 12. 12 is the factor and multiple both. Okay. So this is your solution of try this. You have to solve your try this in your copy by the help of given content solution. Okay students. Now look at the diary of this lesson. Do question number 1 part C and D from page number 32 in your copy. Okay students, the unit number 5 has been done. Now we start our unit number 3 has done. Now we start unit number 5, which is addition and subtraction. Unit number 5, addition and subtraction. And the lesson number 1 is adding numbers. Okay, so you have to make the title page of unit number 5, addition and subtraction, and the lesson number 1 is adding numbers, no renaming. What is the means of renaming? Renaming means no change in name. Okay students, now look at page number 44. Come to the exercise, question number 1. In question number 1, look at the beads on each abacus to help add this number. ठीक है, आपके पास abacus मौजूद है, ये आपकी मदद करेगा ऐड करने में नंबर्स को. व्हाट इज अबाकस? अबाकस इज द सिंपल काउंटिंग मशीन. ठीक है, अबाकस क्या होता है? सिंपल काउंटिंग मशीन जिस पर आप सिंपली नंबर्स को काउंट कर सकते हैं. लुक एट पार्ट ए. 5712 and 1031. Now look at the abacus. You have to use color pencil to make these abacus, to make these beads. ठीक है, जो नीचे का numbers हैं यानी 1031 you have to show different colors. 1, इसमें कोई beads नहीं है. Next one में 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay students, count these beads. 1, 2 and 3. This is the unit place, tens, 100 and this is the 10,000 place. Okay, you need 10, 100 and 1000. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 beads, so we write here 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Write here 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है, your answer is 6743. Now add this number. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next one is 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 is 7 and 5 plus 1 is 6. ठीक है, both the answer are same. Now look at part B. That is 4043 and 3223. You have to draw this abacus on your copy. You have to solve this work in your copy, not in your book. Okay. Unit, tens, 100 and this is 1000. Look at the beads. There are 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3. Now show the upper number in different color. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is 0. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3. Now count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the answer is 7266. Now we add this number. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 0 plus 2 it's 2 and 4 plus 3 it's 7. This is your answer. Okay. Now look at question number 2. In question number 2 there is the same word. You have to do answer this. Addition के question है यहाँ भी. Part A. $5,033 and 1,820. You have to add these number. 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8 is 8 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 6,853. You have to solve part B, C, D, E and F yourself. Now come to the try this. In try this, which pairs of number add up to 4,999? Draw lines to join them. You have some numbers. ठीक है, आपके पास कुछ नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं. आपको उन नंबर्स को ज्वाइन करना है जिनका सम यानी जिनका ऐड जिनको आप करो तो आंसर आपका क्या आना चाहिए 4999. ड्रॉ द लाइन, ड्रॉ आल्सो द लाइन. ठीक है, आपने लाइंस भी ड्रॉ करनी है. नाउ लेट्स सी. ओके स्टूडेंट, लुक एट द ट्राई दिस. on page number 35, sorry 45. This is the unit number 5. ठीक है, पेज नंबर इसका 45 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, $1,347, $1,188, $2,428, and then $3,652, $4,811, and the next one is $3,437, $1,562, $2,571. Okay, now let's see which numbers has the sum of 4,999. Look at this number, 7, 1,347 and 3,652. If we add 7 plus 2, it becomes 9. 7 plus 2, it's 9. 4 plus 5, 4 में अगर हम 5 plus करते हैं, it also become the number 9. If we add 3 plus 6, it is also 9. 3 plus 6, it's also 9, and 1 plus 3, it's 4. So if we add these two numbers, we get the answer 4,999. So you have to draw the line. ठीक है, आप इनको लाइन से शो करोगे. And also the solution, 1,347 and 3,652. प्लस कर लीजिए इन दोनों नंबर्स को. 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, it's 9. 4 plus 5, it's also 9. 3 plus 6, 9. And 1 plus 3, it's 4. 4,999. नेक्स्ट नंबर देख लेते हैं हम. Look at these two number. If we add 8 plus 1, it become 9. 8 plus 1 is also 9, and 4 plus 1 is 5. No, this is not. We check this number, 4,811 and 1,188, sorry. We add 1 plus 8, it's 9. 1 plus 8, it's 9. 8 plus 1 is also 9, and 4. 4,999. You have to solve 2 more yourself. ठीक है, 2 और आपको खुद ढूंढने. Now look at question number 2 of this. In question number 2, 1,234 plus 8,765 is equal to 9,999. Okay, you have to find out the 10 more 4-digit addition, that total 9,999. ठीक है, आपको 10 और possibility find out करनी है जिनका sum क्या आना चाहिए, 9,999. So look at here. If we add 5,436 by 4,563. So check this, the total. 6 plus 3 is 9, 3 plus 6 is also 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 5 plus 4 is also 9. So there is this total of 9,999. You have to solve this part yourself. There is a choice. ठीक है, आपके पास choice है, आप अपनी मर्जी के कोई भी 2 numbers को ऐड करें, बस उनका टोटल क्या आना चाहिए, 9,999. The lesson is completed. Now look at your diary. Do question number 1, part D, E, F, and question number 2, part E and F, and also try this. ठीक है, try this का जो remaining part है वो आपने खुद solve करना है. From page number 45 in your copy. Okay students, I hope you have got it, but if you have any doubt, any confusion, so keep watch this video again and must complete your all work in your copy, not in your book. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.